just believe in yourself. It might seem like nothing happen for you or what you do it, I go unnotice or nobody not see it. From you do the right thing, gotta see it. God time different from man and woman time.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast at Pull Up. And today we have a special guest live in the studio. Listen, this is actually his first time in Canada, in Toronto. You know, we have in the building today, we have 1BRANDON from the Game Changaz in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
They are the right thing for
You're good.
active. Man.
I mean, welcome to Canada, but specifically Toronto. How's the city treating you?
It's a warm welcome still.
Yeah.
Yeah, place nice.
First time up here.
Yeah, first time.
Mm-hmm. Have you left Jamaica before? This is your first trip also.
No, this is the first trip.
First trip. Yeah. Is it what you expected when they say, yo, you're going to big firing? Is it what you had in your mind? It was probably not really. What was it like?
Well, basically, we expect still. We always hear them talk about still. Basically, that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good vibes.
Natural, bro.
Definitely. On this podcast, we like to take it from beginning and bring it up 2024. I know Waltham. You lived off of the Waltham. That was where you were born and grew up?
Yeah, Mandela Town to be exact.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What was it like growing up in Mandela Town then?
No, to be exact, you know, I'm not really born in Mandela Town, though. I'm born in Majestic Garden, to be exact. I first make I say this in an interview.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Majestic Garden that I back to. But like move from this like when I was around 2, I come to Mandela Town for Waltham.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what was it like growing up in Mandela Town back then?
It's a joy, you know, because everything you go through, like, you don't know a garrison, so you know garrison guard in Jamaica. You have to rough, you have to tough to survive in a garrison. So, it's a joy. I would give it up, like, I would give up my past or my childhood days, how I grew. I would give it up, as make a part of my journey, make me
100%.
who me am right now, isn't it?
Growing up, were you always interested in music, or it was probably football first? What were you really interested at first?
You know, so at first, me did have a passion for football. But like, me did start smoke weed.
Yeah.
So, you know, I start smoke weed, so like, me stop go chain and thing. But basically, me did love music as well. So like, me did stop play football. They get like, I lose a love for it, as I fall in love with music more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And growing up, you always knew that your dad, Firelinks, was a big selector. This was something that you really got to soak in after the fact, or you just knew this from beginning?
No, I know that from get-go, man. From I go prep school, I always know say, oh, father, I'm a star, you know. Yeah, I always know that. Because people always make you know, say, your father a star, you know. Father a G, you know.
Boba.
One Boba.
You get you. So it was really seeing him play music make you wanted to get involved with music, or did you want to be a DJ or anything before? What was really made you want to get involved with music?
You know, so honestly, still like, as I'm say, football was my passion, but music used to haunt me. Yeah, music used to haunt me. Like, I'm not follow it up, like, it used to haunt me. Like, I'm there by myself, me used to like get some different ideas. I remember I'm not really pre-music at that time, like, me I pretty serious, but I just I get some different ideas. Some just know say, I gifted for this, but I never really take it serious until one day it just fall natural. So I just say, I need to take this serious. It's something that Corona time. But I play Fire Sound at my father's son for 8 months before Corona still.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. We soon get there, because even when you wanted to get into music, was it really selecting artists? What did you want to get in? What did you want to do in music?
Honestly, I didn't want MC from first.
It was always MC.
MC.
Well, clearly that runs in your blood, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you say, and was it always firelinks that you seen you say, okay, I want to be like him, or you were listening to other MCs playing somewhere you say, I like what they're doing too?
Well, my father play a major role still, but not only him, still have rest of selector them like Squingy them and the rest of 5 dinosaur them same. Respect them same and the rest of young G them with a do it to like a whole heap of them. I'm not gonna remember everybody name, but everybody will get them time. We dominate dancehall for them time. We respect them same and I look up to them, you see me?
Somebody like Squingy, what was it you liked about Squingy style?
Squingy rough, man. Squingy rough selector like myself, you know.
Yeah.
Believe man, Squingy rough. Like for the footage I watch. Yeah, cause you know them time they do a young youth, see me, young baby. But after the footage I watch, him see him dominant time commanding sing, you know. But selector.
So it's like you more like juggling or you like clash? What was it that you really liked growing up?
You know, so honestly still, I love the both of them.
Yeah.
And to me personally as a selector, I feel like if I'm a bad selector, you're supposed to kind of both. And do it at its best, you know. Yeah, got music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. So you're saying you're playing, was Fire Sound the first song you ever played?
First song. Yeah, first official song.
First officials. So you weren't playing like no area song or anything before?
No, never used to play in the area song. I used to like play a song, used to have like on G them I used to party. I don't really want to call him name still, but me and him used to like mess around, like go around and play with each other, but we never like formulate a sound name and nothing like that, you know. But after from that, we go up on Fire Sound. Because my father been here, so my body is Stainy been tell him, say, yo, Brandon body, man, but at the time, my father never get to see it at the time.
So how did you get to start playing Fire Song? Okay, yeah. Obviously firelinks, Booba, father.
Well, basically,
how did you
what
get to the
happened,
song?
like, remember say Stainy and Chattis, they dip on Fire Sound at the time, but something they happen, man, like, them leave the sound. Yeah, and Booba sent for me, you know, and the same youth there. And I tell you, say, me and him used to mess soon. Yeah, so start play Fire Sound now. So that really happened still. Still, them leave the sound, so I have to send for we. You see me?
Okay, so it was you and your next brethren that went and started playing Fire Soul.
Yeah.
And what was that like now playing on a big, because remember, as you said, you're just going around with your little song with your bread, but now you're on this big song. What was that like playing Fire Soul now?
Levels, man. The party them I used to go and play a different ball game, a big ball game. It's like I play Corner League and I start play Champion League. It's a big ball game and I start go against the big sound them now. So you know you have to always bring a year game, you have to fully focus. You see me? So that just make you see so yo big ball game man, level up. And at that time too, we learn a lot of things. You see me? Because I remember Booba that. You see me? On our bodies, if not bodies. You see me? You know, from little time there on the sound, juggling wise, remember we have a country, you know, man. We don't just jump up in this side, does something so. We load truck. Go up on truck, driving a truck back, I want to sleep, or you can't even sleep because the brakes stop on type of way, drop out and them things, you see me? We go through them things too, man. We get a part of that too. You see me?
What was the first big song that you got to play with when playing Fire Soul? A big night that you remember?
Oh, at that time, the first big song was CD Fantasy. Them time the Rooksy and Cardi them play CD Fantasy. Yeah. And dancing Olympic way.
Yeah.
Remember that dancing, man, dancing. Stamp my feet on the ground, man, and prove myself, man.
And Bubba was there too, or you were the only, it was you and the rest of the crew?
The GD there at the party, like GD there on the sun, turntable that day, like yes. But the night them really find myself, you know, and type of way, like, tell myself, say, yo, you have to prove yourself, you know. Just block out everybody. I when your father there around there said, no disrespect, I had the man tonight. You see me? Because you have to do that for like block out all distraction and just focus for deliver, yes, man. The morning, them I do deliver. I deliver great still.
And were people taking you serious, or they just figuring, said, sure, firelinks,
I know,
so they're
to
going
be
to
honest,
just
at
whatever.
that time, still nobody never really take me serious, you see me. I just know, say, yo, links have a son upon the sound. You see me, and I just, no, I never really get the exposure, like, the major exposure. Because honestly, 2 lions can't run around jungle, you see me. I just that.
Yeah.
Honestly, when we really print a long future, I just that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was there any, did Firelinks give you any advice, or more like you had to watch what he was doing and that's how you really learned the game, or he schooled you to the game?
Just have to watch. Just have to watch. If anybody wants to give me advice on music, certainly, Stainy, you see me. Stainy is more really father figure for me, like, who have to be. Stainy, because Stainy, right through, right dog foot, you see me. Right through. I go high school, the Gina left me none at all, you see me, and them thing them respect the dog to say me, you see me. Yeah, because remember me I come from, you see me. Remember everything. When dog go party, them time me young. Country, I play against Bass Odyssey. The whole of them big dance there. Me I did it from early, so the juggling them. Even before I start play Game Changaz, I tell myself, say, yo, no selector can juggle around me. No time, because just the experience when I get around Fire Sound, and I there around them with Stainy and Booba. Every juggling, I see them man there go, man. Every juggling, man.
Yeah.
Every juggling.
You've seen everything.
You see everything. You see, man. Just by going around, I know for read party. You see me? I know for lock, like, I can lock, like, just looking at a party and lock me eye them 4 corner and just know, say, you know, say a quote or that. You see me?
When did you start coming up with the slang then?
Like, Corona.
Okay, that's when the slang them started to come up, was Corona.
Yeah.
Okay, so then before we even get there, on Fire Song, so you remember the first big song, that time there was CD Fantasy.
Yeah.
You remember bucking up like a Stone Lover, Bass Odyssey, a Mataran, or anybody while on the song?
You all go know. As I tell you, 2 lions could run a one jungle, play them, sorry about that. Play them sound there, you know, but here we going. So play them sound the father. So I early shift, me I get one father, man. Early shift, but as I say, I get the exposure to that on the sound. People just, who know. Right now, majority of the people in the dancehall don't know some music play Fire Sound. Honestly, I'm not taught that.
Yeah.
I'm not taught that. I just know in them time there. Because I never really get. But I'm only be the early one selected. I go up the ranks then.
Okay, but then that's
But I just see G alone the dip on the sound. You see me? I that me sure see how 2 lions could run in one jungle, because I'm on the G alone at MC, you know. I have a next mix sign, you see me? But you never can tell still, you see me? And everything good eat for talk, you see me?
But
Somebody
remember,
wants to say certain thing, you see me?
if you said you're on the song for 8 months, that's no portion of time wrong. More time a man's on a song, soak on a song for 3, 4, 5 years, you know, boss, before they really get to the heights where they're looking for it.
Don't get me wrong, you know. Like, I never really like those say, I mean, I run down the glory and nothing like that, but like, per se, like, when everything gone and I pray it, I just say it for that. I never did for just get the break on Fire Sound. Because, and I think them always want, and that I do is for like, try to get the break one type of way without highlights, yo, the G and my father, you know.
Yeah.
So when I used to play the sound, it just never did for happen that way, then God just do what him do. You see me? Just look at me.
So why did you end up leaving the song then?
Basically, like, a little misunderstanding is going. As I'm saying in a previous interview, with the mix are the same youth. Same friend of me I tell you about. Yeah, like a misunderstanding going on me and him. You see me? And the G, me I tell the G, say, you know, so that go on. But the G never listen to 2 sides of the story, me just listen one, you see me? And that, he kind of caused a misunderstanding. And I just say, you know, see, I just do my thing. And just, I just believe, so you think I work, probably take a time more than if you take, but it will work, you see me?
Did Bubba even want you to get involved with sound business?
Honestly, based off how him deal me at them time, him never really want me in tight, isn't he? Him never really want me in tight, cause the first time, I tell you, so that's why I respect Stainy, so you see me and you see in a life, God know everything what I do, cause everything what in a life, you know, this what happen, it's the hard end for me, everything done with not already, just I live out a lifetime, you know, believe, cause everything done with not already in a life. So that's why I'm more in something that remember, you know, Stay never know, say, what happen now, you know, it a got me, you know, but probably just God does a work, natural, cause basically I'm telling you, say, Stay not left me nowhere. Stainy bring me everywhere. Get back to your point. You see, the first time, Stainy give me a talker phone on fire, so my father cussed Stainy. I say, how you are? You see that morning there? Even man early, I walk in the stairs of show life. Life stay, and when things destined for me, it off happen. Whopping stairs early, I can't forget. Whopping stairs early. Stainy give me a talker phone. And my father forward and see. Father start cuss. Father talk to my father, say, yo, you nah listen, you know, little boy. Can remember dog, exactly. Dog I say, you nah listen. So you know, man, say, was a little boy, no, I say, I'm nah listen with. Not the right thing me I do. You see me? Honestly, the morning there, man. Just wake up on venom, man, you know. All I water start fall out of me in the morning. As a little boy. Think it was 8th grade, me now. You see me? I say, yo, I have to prove some ready. Offy. You see me? At the morning, I say, I have to prove some ready. Offy. It not got me now, but I know, say, yo, one day.
Some way,
you
somehow.
See me? Yeah, one day, man. You see me? So, them little thing, them, I say, you see, Stainy. I can't forget where I fall from. Them little thing there. Remember, I not really take music serious, you know. The man just say, if I say about that, you love music, call this.
Yeah.
In the earliest. You see me? And that the atmosphere, but that don't go on the earliest, you know, thing. You see me?
You being playing soul now, you know how rough, and I heard you even say it before, corrupt the business is. Do you think that's what he was trying to keep
Yeah, you know,
away
say,
from?
yeah, as I say, now I get bigger, I feel like a dad. Because I'm buying a young in him, now I just fall straight forward and say, Brandon, that. But now I get bigger, I see you're basically that thing and guide me from. Because when I tell him, I say, yo, you must say, you turn focus more upon mixing. You see me? When I tell him that the G at him, I say, you focus more upon mixing. But in my mind, you don't know how you to rebellious, you know, man. Anything I tell you, say, if that we are working, because we believe in ourselves to the max, you see me? I say, no, man. No, they're not mixing. We can mix and talk, yes, but this, you see me?
You feel that's where your strength
Yeah, man,
and
they
your
say
passion
power, them,
on.
man.
Yeah.
Just give me a talker phone, man, and music I play, man. It's like it's a different zone I'm going here, you see me? I'm gonna have talker phone, I really talk and him thing, you know. But when I have a talker phone, I have to wonder if I see him person. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have DN, you have Brandon. You see me?
Yeah. No, 100%, because the first selector that I've seen like that was like that was Panta. You see, when you see Panta on stage, enough things he's doing. You see, when he's off the air, you could barely hear Panta. That freaked me out. I said, what? And you guys are out there, so I understand what you mean, where if it's not stage and talkaphone, you just to yourself and just keep it easy, you know what I mean?
Because when you observe it, you see a lot of things, you see me? Like per se, yeah, like we had an interview now, right? But per se, we're in a party. Oh, your reason. To your reason. You know much thing pass here, you see? So that is one of the
Observe. Yeah. Rather watch more. Yeah, that's why you have two eyes and one mouth. You're supposed to watch more than you actually talk.
Yeah, man, you have to observe, man. But as I talk about the corruption, the game corrupt, man. Corrupt.
Yeah.
But we corrupt than them, man.
There's corruption and there's determination. Either corruption is going to stop you or the determination is going to get you through the corruption.
One thing alone. I think with determination, the word are the favorite word, my favorite word, believe. You see me? Believe.
Yeah.
Them say believe kill, believe cure, but believe anything. To everybody that watch an interview, I know I run now go watch it. Just believe now in yourself. It might seem like nothing happen for you. What you do it, I go and notice and nobody not see it. From you do the right thing, God see it. You see me? And God time different from man and woman time. You see me? I want living testimony to that. You see me?
Yeah.
Just believe in yourself, man. You see me, man? And when you see the thing I get rough, man, the glory days are near, man. You see me?
Keep it.
To everybody out there, that is my message to you. Just believe in yourself.
Yeah.
You see me? Now I got move at night. Whole heap of people are turn off, you see me? Some people don't feel like real, like some people don't really feel like could have never hurt, and them are going to hurt, You see me? But them things that make you tougher upon the journey. Yeah, man, just believe.
For sure.
Believe. Believe.
That's the word there. I get you. So you played the song for a couple of months. So then you left. Now, when you left, did you go straight to Game Changers, or there was something you did in between before you got to Game Changers now?
Tell you the truth, say, I'm left fire, so I stop playing music though for like a couple of years.
Couple of years?
Yeah. That means you when you're destined for something, when you're choosing for something. I start playing something for 2 years. 2 to 3 years. I stop playing something. Just did it was a freestyle, Yeah, it was a freestyle. And Corona forward now. Sure, Corona forward now. Them time start like, music I start playing in the community now. Nobody know if I go now. You see me? Corona forward. So from Corona forward, father, I will start playing music. Me and one G named Firestick. You see me, and him first start play. Start create big waves. You see me, same like come here, there's a reason now. That's why I tell you, see, Father God real, you see me? Cause basically, me and the G did that reason one day. I'm just catch one venom. Like, we catch one venom, like, God talk to me. You see me, I show G say, yo, I know Father, I don't know if you see it, but I know, I'm not wait, I know I'm ready, no.
Ready.
You see me, I'm ready for the road, no. I don't know if you ready, but I'm ready, no. And I'm not running into nobody, not sounding arrogant, but just the confidence and the belief I'm having in myself. I tell you, Jesus, you're not running into nobody. Just a talent attack. We pull everybody out of foot. You see me? So said, so done. Now, Corona, different from Brook Valley and T Valley, man, and my place, man, from Walton, man.
Yeah.
The artists in Corona, I full up there so every night. Me, as a young youth, I just get the break. At Corona, I get the break, And from I get the break, I look back, man. Every night, we full up the community, I pray this. Them time in our community, in a whole of Jamaica, only 3 community party can go till the morning in Corona. And my community are one of them. In them time there. I get ready for go dance till 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, I just get ready. Come remember my place,
Yeah.
Just get ready 3 o'clock. Yeah, man, Corona, man. Rough up Corona. You see me, them time there. Like, for sure you gotta work him in a Corona, I just get the break and I create the impact on people, being here, my name and the man who is Brandon, who this youth name Brandon. My party go keep. And God said it that for my birthday night, Corona go live. The March 19.
Yeah.
History me create night in my place, man. Kill everybody, pull everybody.
Okay.
You see me? And then, like, Stainy and the mixer, they go kick off. You see me? Because when we are playing in lane in Corona, me and Stainy now play together yet.
This was you and your brethren playing at this time?
Yeah, Firestick, straight team sound.
Was it a song or it was just a thing you guys were just?
Straight team sound.
Straight team?
Yeah, it was a sound. Just remember I say, yeah, straight team sound. Yeah. So me and straight team, Firestick start play. You see me, and then Stainy and the talk for me have a misunderstanding. So it ends up that it does something natural for me and Stainy start work. Because like I see the play, and dog I say, Brandon, No. I say, I already know. You see me, because I remember, me and dad don't have a chemistry for a long time. I would even start play it. Just a family band there, Yeah, and the natural energy and with the flavour him have from them time there. And the flavour what me I go bring now, the no flavour. A trouble, man. No pussy taste, man. No boy.
So
Room in the bed,
okay,
man.
so then that's where the slang them started. Now was
Yeah.
at that point. And what was the first one that you came up? I know you have like about 5 or 6 of them.
You see the first one, no pussy taste. You see me? No pussy taste. Because even when that, I get the break, it argue be like people I say, oh, build the talk and thing, you see me? But as I'm tell you, see, the streets never lie. Because I remember, we are saying no pussy taste, those things, now scheme, everybody forward, you see me? Gravitate a foot. But you see, from see, as I tell you, see, I have an eye and a vision feed. From see, like, you see, say, the talk I work, you see, I have pressure I wrote now. The people them see face. You see me? I know the Facebook I talk. Okay, say I stay right there, so talk I just bigger than me, you see me? Yeah, so I start pressure I wrote now. That's why God make it happen at the right time for me and stay and start work now. You see me? He says, in I road.
So official Game Changers at that time there now.
Fresh Game Changer.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Because even Stainy, he was, as I said, he was here a couple of weeks ago. He was actually in the chair. And with Stainy now, remember, he came from Fire Sound, so he gets it. So somebody like you got to get it right away so then you guys could fire. Because he's a man, when he's ready to fire, rapid burst.
Stainy a body's thing, man. Body's mix, some say.
Rapid burst.
My eyesight, and I on earth, how long I on earth now, I even say. But me, if I was base, if I me see, I don't know about them time there, me a look up me I talk about now.
New generation.
Yes, Stainy, I'm maddest. You see me, roughest. Whole heap of bad mix out there, but Stainy, I'm maddest, you see me, believe. You see me.
But that's what you said, you have to believe. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I believe. Yo, I just started staying in a whole heap of people, I say, I'm not ready. I'm going to live to see them same out there, father. I'm saying, I don't want to see him arrogant, no type of way, you see me, right? But the facts and life. See him out, father, him father, man. I say, as I say, this have to make the work, talent. Don't make what people say, determine or change your energy, you see me, because you have to protect your energy there. You see me? Yeah.
Man, definitely. And then after the MPT, what was the next talk then?
Alright. NPT. You see, after that, like basically, after that, every morning we used to have a party, we used to raise it, you see me, like. After we come from party, we keep our next party, we just start drink again and reason.
Yeah.
So the idea them forward up. But Stainy that said to me, say, yo, no pussy test shot in, bro, but you need a carpet slang, bro. You see me? The dog I say, you need a carpet slang. I say, I find it, man. I said, I find it.
Yeah.
I said, I find it. But how me go by them things, I really like pressure my brain, like same time to say, yo, I find it. No, you can't do that. You're not going to find it. You have to make it flow natural. I'm going to tell you how I find that now. I run like a G said that to me like that day, yeah. Today that be Thursday. Yeah, I just talk in general. Today not necessarily Thursday still, but I just say. You see me? Like him just say to me Thursday, you see boy, next Thursday, him say to me Thursday morning, because we go Lagos Street Wednesday. I like him say to me Thursday morning. You see boy, next Thursday our pins just a juggle natural.
Yeah.
And something just flashing in my mind, I'm saying, this is dancehall. I'm say it, all goosebumps take my man. Me I say, yo, I hate this, father. But if you say it to him in my mind, me I say, no, I hate this, the next big slang this. This is dancehall. Father, and to me, this is dancehall. Bigger than no pussy test to me. You see me, because believe me.
Okay. I'll tell you, since we're talking and I've been around a long time, you see, no pussy test, you brought it back into dancehall as in Dayuta, because that's a thing that's been around from the 80s.
Yeah, don't get me wrong.
You brought it back into,
I'm
into the people's mind.
Don't get me wrong, and like around 2 weeks ago, I see that video there, father. And I say, Jaja. I see video and I say, Jaja, every day learn now. The artist name, I say the name and correct me. Frisco Benji or Crisco Benji, him name?
Risco Benji.
Frisco Benji. Him.
Yeah.
Like, I literally see a video. The man I see, no pussy test. And I look on the video and I say, booklet, I see how.
Yeah.
See music and great mind. Remember in a father, I never ever see that video they yet, never. I see it, see that way, just say,
Yeah.
yeah, man, I gotta take it from me. If I say, yo, really, but me, me make.
Put it back.
Yeah, if I say, yo, you see me? Believe me.
But you see, this is dancehall now. You that. You know what I mean? I didn't hear anybody come up with I didn't hear.
Come on, this is
like
dancehall, different, man. And no boy, none of them can take that, you see me? This is dancehall, different. So this is dancehall, selector play. You see that? Father, 50 years from now, 100 years from now, father. Landmark, father, I tell you.
How I know that those two right there are big, you're the first voice you hear in the music video with Dexter Daps.
So slow motion.
Slow motion.
Yeah, father, I watch it. All that. And no joke thing that no father. Yeah, man, look how much MC there in Jamaica, the world night, dancehall. There's pretty much MC there in a dancehall, father. And who them send for do that, father? Just who them send for? Just think about it, no, father.
Yeah.
Big up Dave Kelly and big up Killer and big up Sham. You see me, and big up Dexter. But me just pre what me I see. Much MC there in the world.
How did that situation come together?
Situation. Basically, still you know say Killer, you know say Killer with G though. So you know say Killer they are fully active Tuesday with Tuesday and thing, and Killer and Sham link, you see me, so Sham forward on a event them and I eat them and thing. So Sham I hear the thing them. You see me, you don't know Sham and my father have a connection from a longer time, you see me. Dave Kelly likewise, you see me. But Killer make him know say, yo, them youth here. You see me? Them youth here, you see me? So Sham see the whole style, you see me? And the energy just mesh, you see me? Me I tell your father, right now me I think in my brain to tell you how it happen, but me can't even think. It just happen natural, father.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, and like Sham just see the energy and say, you know, so them youth energy pure. You see me, likewise Sham them energy pure, Dave Kelly them, you see me? And I just there home one night, randomly. You see me, and Stainy text me and I say, you know, say G them say, yo, this is dancehall, them want it in a day. Them want it interest song. You see me? But at the moment, me dey upon some black, but nice and be a thing, so they must say they more me like send a voice note. You see me? Like send a voice note ASAP. But like which part me there, I never get look on the phone to show you so more some opportunity can pass, you know. Just so, you know. So I just did it on the black come up on, but the music I play and thing, and I not really focus on the phone. So like the G that send me a text on 9:30, 10 o'clock, I see a text. And be a call, dog, I say here. You see me, Sean Bossy, big up Sean Bossy, that a Sham, G, you see me? G up around Sham, you see me? Sean Bossy link Stainy and I call Stainy. Stainy I call me, but none of them not get me. So I do see the missed call and text them. I say, Jaja, what go on? Shout Stainy, dog, I say, you know, see how Shama say, you want do the intro for his song. Not only Sham, Dave Kelly say, yo, someone want the song. Someone want the song start. I should say, sorry. Someone want the song start. This is dancehall. Selector, play. Father. You see, I'm going to go so boom and send the voice no father. End up that, I never the voice note first, I'm sending them. The video shoot, I go first. My correction, video shoot, I go first. But like, do you say it in a video? It never sound good. So I saw now they must say, yo, send the voice note.
Send it back.
You see me? Yeah, so I send the voice note. It's a history, man. Believe me.
Big. Because when you watch a video, you hear the music playing in the background, but the first voice you hear, Brandon.
It's a big look, man. Give thanks to the opportunity we get.
For sure. And I think a lot of people, now that we're sitting down and doing the interview, now a lot of people are going to put it back together and realize, say, it was you that was in the beginning.
Yeah, because most people don't really know, and previous interview I dig up and I don't know how I forgot to talk about that. Yeah, but, yeah, man, I mean, man.
Yeah.
This is dance. Selector, play! Wow. I was sound the same way, like how it sound on the audio, the video. You see me? Auto-tune thing, a natural voice, man. You see me?
You know. You said Killer. You guys are linking with Killer. How did you even link with Killer in the first place?
Yo, honestly, majority I link them when I dance and now, I'm not gonna lie. Father, Stainy. You see me? Father, I'm just jump up, I'm anti-social, no father. I'm not want to.
Your firelinks' son, what do you expect?
Alright, see it? I'm anti-social. You see me, but I always know somebody have to change that at one point still. Right now, I'm zero that now. Social.
Yeah.
I'm anti-social again. You see me?
Yeah.
Stainy, every link. Yeah, because I just jump out. I mean, Stainy apart. If Stainy move, dog, I say, Brandon, I want you know this a G. And I say, I'm there. I say, no. I want you know them. See them love for them, give me them for give you. You see me? Say, dog, I say, yo.
Forward through.
Everybody. Not everybody still, but most people. Saying that, say, yo, Brandon this, and if you know him, next thing, you see me, new generation. You see me? Yeah, so, that and. First time here, Killer still know. I'm a party, I'm a birthday party, and so fortunate, G forward. Because like J, I hear me name one thing, you see me? A G forward on party. You see me? And like I'm there, I'm party, I'm see G. You say, I might not see you. Because he really G. I'm always a see G more than once, but every time I see him, I might not say go heal him, and I might not say, don't heal him. Because you know Killer thing already, man.
You have to, boss, you have to know.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You have to know.
So, from birthday, I finally go hear the G, and G, I say, yo. And the reception I get, and say, yo, the G energy different. Because even before I meet the G, everywhere I go, like I say, oh, big up the G, you see me? Big up the general, you see me? Before me even know the G in person, certainly. So, like a G, I see them thing there, you see me? I say, you know, say out there, you see me? G, I say, that you energy different. So, basically, that's thing.
Real general.
Real IG that.
You catch me?
IG that.
Man. Right now, 2024, what's next for 1BRANDON right now? What is it that you want to do? Do you want to clash? Do you just want to juggle some more? What is it that you want to do to up the game?
Right now, basically right now, just like, we are putting the work over that side I really, I know, the international side we are trying to focus on, you know. Yeah. Anybody want to clash still, them can run up still.
Have you ever clashed since you're on Game Changaz yet? What period have you ever clashed yet?
You know what I'm saying, father, a 2 time alone, me ever clash. And as I say, them time there are some local clash, 45 clash. You see me, win the 2 of them still, but father, right now,
yeah.
Father, I can't live with me, I want to believe in me, Father. Yeah. Anything, Father, man. Yeah, man, anything, Father, man.
Ready.
Anything, Father. Anything, you see me? Yeah, anything.
Yeah.
Let me say anything. Any boy, you see me? Believe.
But how I know you're a different MC selector for this new generation, a lot of times when I watch the dances that you're in, the people them are moving. You're playing new song, old song, lovers rock, dancehall, everything. So it's not like you're just giving them one style of music.
Father, it's a mixture of music and we can play anyway. And that we know, me and Stainy, we can play anyway. You see me? Anyway, like the string up a song. You see me? All if I want Zoom, man, we have the animal them dancing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, just believe. Anyway we can play for any type of people. The young, the old, the elderly. You see me? Believe.
And because I even see that you link with enough artists. I seen like probably a year or two ago, you said, yo, look out for this youth here, Nigeri. And then Nigeri.
Yeah, you know, all that too, you know, so whole heap of artists you send a road father. Whole heap of artists, man. Whole heap of artists. You see me, Rygin King, my bro, big up Rygin. And Rygin there be, man. And Rygin there be. And we certain way give Rygin look in a city. You see me, Waltham, cause from me say, yo, I want thing in me, even before I start playing music, we have the power there. You see me, we gift it certain way. I will say, yo, this way I run it, you know, the whole community run it, blast it, everybody. You see me? So from them time, they will have the power there even before we start playing music serious. But Rygin are one of them, you see me, Nigeria one of them too. You see me, YC them, CMA, producer, you see me? Whole heap of them. Most of them, they even want to call them name. You see me? Yeah, honestly.
Summer's coming up. Who? This is your prediction right now. We're putting this right on the camera. Summer 2024 is coming up. Who should we look out for? Who's going to have the ground hot for summer 2024?
Summer 2024?
Artist-wise. Which artists do we need to look out for?
You know, see, I'm a beat song, I'm a man,
Yeah.
I saw Dancehall again, you know. Music not live on nobody yard, you know.
Nope.
That me I tell them, so some artists I get the break and I ramp around and feel like forever. I'm going to save up a little dub plate money and show money and stop spending it out. Because I buy no queen and next youth they hungry on the corner. You see me, because a whole heap of bad artists out there. You see me, a whole heap of bad artists. You have an artist name. I name a couple artists. 2 artists.
Okay.
You see me? No, all the artists are going to pray me. But they see them 2 artists. I remember me tell you about them.
Yeah.
You have an artist named 1OG Shani, you see me?
What's his name?
1OG Shani.
1OG Shani.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see that next artist, remember me tell you your platform, you know. You see that next artist, I tell you about. I could be the next dominant figure in a dancehall and one of the most influential figure in a dancehall. When I talk about influential, just believe me, I tell you, you know.
I'm listening.
Skeleton. Remember your name.
Yeah.
Skeleton.
Skeleton. Yeah.
Rufus.
I'm gonna definitely wait for that, and you see when it pops off.
Yo, me I tell you.
When it pops off, I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna promise you. You see, when it pops off, I'm gonna take back this video clip and put it back out to say, see, you were talking about it. All right?
Yeah, man. Skeleton, me I tell you. Rough. Roughest thing I see in a dance right now, lyrically. You see me?
Skeleton. Yeah.
Alright, to the youth rough, just remember me tell you, you know.
Yeah.
To the youth rough, him rougher than Skilly and sicker when them just about. Think about that.
That's what you're saying here today.
Just remember me tell you.
Yeah.
Believe.
All right. As I
I'll
said,
never cap.
I'm clipping this and putting it back out when it happens, you know, Babs.
Yeah, man. And I just energy and eye for talent. You see me? Yeah. Me I tell you that you there.
Yeah.
You my next dominant figure in the dance.
Do enough stuff. You're in Toronto here. I see you play enough. You have the Active Tuesdays, the Whapping Thursdays. Enough stuff you have going on. But what I want to know from you is this. When are we going to get the Game Changers and Fire song in one dance?
Honestly, still, honestly, based on that matter, still, any promoter like, at the G still, I don't know if G that take that dance still, no.
You don't think so?
No.
Yeah.
But from the figures right still, but I don't know still, but who for tell, I don't know, you never can tell. But the people that love to see that still, even me myself, I love to see that. You see me? So any promoter who can make it happen, you see me, just make it happen. You see me? Because that would be one, yo, that show that crazy still, man. Yeah, that show that crazy.
Changes and Fire song, one dance, you know.
Yeah.
One.
That show that crazy. That got happen still. That got happen.
Yeah.
That got one day.
Definitely. We're going to look for. How are you and Bubba right now? Today. How are you guys?
Good man. Yeah, good man. Man, the G good man. I'm G Latino, I'm higher than Latino father.
What are you talking about?
I'm higher than everything, man, everything, like, everything musically, like, them man, they are God in the music. And it's not just through my father, but them man, they are God in the music. Come see them man, see them man, they go dancing, man. And the man are juggling, like the juggling the stairs, so I see them man, they stop and talk, Stop and talk for 2 minutes, 1 minute straight. And you see when song drop, dance, boss. All people just a cuss him. You're the man, they are God in the music.
Listen, when it comes to this thing called a round the corner argument where, as you said, he talks for 2 minutes, and it's like not making any sense. But you
Father,
see,
I don't see nobody do it.
Tune drop.
I don't see nobody do it like nobody like him. I don't see nobody do it like him. You see me? Nobody.
Yeah. Trust me. Leave something there. Leave some social media contact where they could check you out. Anything you want to say, anybody you want to big up right now, the floor is yours 100% before I get you out of here.
Alright, social media. Instagram, DJ 1BRANDON. Yeah, I not use TikTok and it's sitting there still, you see me? But big up the whole streets. I'm saying streets, I talk Kingston, Jamaica, you see me? The whole dance of them. You see me, all I select them way. I'm say dance them and select them, the youth them, I hold up dancehall. Because father, the weekly event, them hold up dancehall, no father.
Of course.
Yeah, that. And in a corona when some selector hide, big up the young youth, them way, hold the ground. You see me, youth like TNR, them big up Wayne, them same way. You see me, Game Changaz, me and Stainy. You see me, big up the whole young selector, them, you see me. Yeah, the youth them just go and do and believe. You see me, because I keep big for all of you, you see me, when I divide and segregate. You see me, I just who not like we not like them and a room in them, a room off, you see me. Brawling and disgusting.
Believe. Catch me.
That is it.
Brandon, thank you so much. And again, this is your first, you're going to watch this back and remember this interview forever. This is your first interview. And your first time flying out, your first time in front. You understand? 10 years from now, you're going to look back at this. 20 years, you can look back at this. And you'll remember this moment right here. You have so much more to go. And I know the blood that runs through the veins and the way how you're thinking already, you're going to be a problem, boss.
I dominate dancehall, man. Believe.
Yeah. This is dancehall.
And you are going on, promoters, we active up and you see me and Stainy, so you can link up for thing them. I don't know, sham, you see it, you get the thing I know for real, I don't know, fake news.
Yeah.
So we active up and man.
You're here, you're in person, it's not a Zoom. You're in studio, so we know you're active, you're working. You catch me? Definitely.
Yeah, because most people, they feel like some shop talk, you see it.
Yeah.
We active, man, they are live, you see it.
Live.
Fully. Big up yourself, Mama G, man.
All the while.
That is it.
Big up Gallus for making it happen again. Big up Stainy for making it happen. 1BRANDON, you have so much further to go. And I'm glad you sat down and talked to us today. And you kept it real. You understand? You could have shaved up certain things, but you just kept it real.
Yeah, I don't know. Father, no fault on the interview for beat down nobody, your father, and call nobody name and them thing they not give you no money in our pocket, And them thing they not give you no bookings, Just, this alone, I want to lift the youths to me again too. Remember when war go on, the money can't make, yeah? When war go on, the money can't make. So just the right thing, love alone.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up, and we are out. Wow. This is Dancehall.
Selector, play.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.